चला तर मग सामना क्रमांक 14 महाराष्ट्र प्रीमियर लीग. It's going to be the 4S Puneri Bappa taking on the Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. PB, the Puneri Bappa won the toss, chose to bat. Some beautiful pictures. We are in Gahunze in Pune, right across the Mumbai-Pune Expressway. There are dark clouds, yes. There we go. Have a look at both those teams, Puneri Bappa and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings. Two notable changes. Puneri Bappa, Ruturaj Gaikwad is unwell, and Chhatrapati Sambhaji Kings, Rajwardhan Hangargekar is not available. So the captain for the CSK, Murtuza Trankwala, and for Puneri Bappa today, it's going to be Yash Shirsagar. Puneri Bappa have elected to bat first. There we go. The two on-field umpires today. Whereas Puneri Bappa won the toss, elected to bat first. Pawan Shah, Shubham Teswal, the openers for Pune. It's going to be Pranay Singh to start proceedings. First ball, lets it go. Just observing it till the last minute was Pawan Shah. Just let it go.
बॉल स्विंग होती नहीं है, नई गेंद पे ये हवा में गेंद पर गैप में गई है, चौका मिलेगा तेजवाल को. बहुत ही बेहतरीन गेंदबाजी की थी. ये आउट, बिल्कुल काफी दूर गेंद थी वहां पे.
Just didn't want to go. There we go. As Kransa mentioned, the feet were nowhere near to the ball, just swinging. His bat takes the outside edge, and Anand Thenge rightly being rewarded. With Shivam Teswal gone for 8. Puneri Bappa 16 for 1.
It's windy. Oh, that was an outside edge. 4 runs, a lucky boundary.
Oh yes, this time he has connected it well. One bound.
That's a big hit. You need a few of those. Puneri Bappa. That's a great hit. Flighted delivery. The invite was there. Nothing wrong with it. By Shams Kazi. बोर्ड पर जिससे कि आपके बॉलर जब बॉलिंग करने आएंगे तो चैलेंज कर पाएंगे इस बार.
A full toss that he bowls, but he gets away.
Batsman Jadhav would be disappointed with that. There was an opportunity. पर आप पॉजिटिव फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में होंगे, रन्स बनाने के फ्रेम ऑफ माइंड में होंगे, तभी लगेंगी इस तरह की शॉट्स. 7 रन बनाए जादव ने, 61 for 2.
And getting 2 runs over there. Again, using his feet. This time, shot fine leg, misses it. Will not be able to cut it off.
से रखा है. ये हवा में गेंद, यहाँ पर मौका बना है बिल्कुल, और ये बढ़िया कैच डीप मिड विकेट पर. इसके पहले भी एक बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश की थी, इनसाइड एज लगा, छक्का मिला, और ये बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश पर बढ़िया कैच यहाँ पर सौरव सिंह का.
46, it's 72 for 3.
में भी गई और बढ़िया कैच लिया था. ये चौका मिलेगा आखिरी गेंद पर.
Think tanks. This time plays that one over mid wicket for a 6. Out today.
ऑफ स्पिनर को अंदर डाला था, तेज था थोड़ा सा गेंद, पूरा फायदा उठाया. और क्या कमाल का शॉट.
इस बार फिर उठा के मारा है गेंद को, और गेंद जा रही है सीमा रेखा पर छक्के के लिए.
Yes, he gets a wicket. He finishes his 4th over in a very, very nice way. He's been impressive, and he must keep doing.
10 for 4 now after 16 overs.
Us 138. Suraj Shinde, the wicketkeeper batter. Suraj Shinde. Short ball, and it gets the deserved treat.
Bowlers come with a lot of confidence again, trying to go over the fielder.
In the air, fielder, this time straight to long on.
It was a short delivery. You missed out, boy. You missed out. Straight into the hands of, couldn't succeed. 39, 1, 2, 4 for 5.
The last over. It's in the air and it's in the stands. A crowd catch. Good.
Now, Dhanraj Shinde in the first game, that was 5 overs, got 44 runs off just 13 deliveries with 6 sixes, and fielding was pretty good. But Puneri Bappa, a little disappointing, because I'm sure they've got boys who could have attacked from the word go.
Just 8 runs in the power play that really put the pressure on the Puneri Bappa batters. But let's listen in to what Pranay Singh has to say.
Bhosley, it's off. It starts off with a wide. Poor start as I welcome Nikhil Bhai.
You've got to be on the money. Good lines, good length. Put some pressure on Saurav Navle.
Yeah, this time pulls that one. Will get a boundary. Yes, he will. Time. Oh, huge appeal there. And given. The ball is trapped right in front there. Shelar.
Big wicket by Vivek Shelar for the Puneri Babas. Saurav Navle goes back for 6. It's 12 for 1.
Slip in place. This time uses his feet, does Khatpe over the infield. The ball will win the race. Stump. Vivek Shelar's back. This time outside the off stump, gives it all and will get full value. What a 6. What a shot.
The ball was always getting away from the left-handed Om Bhosle. He was waiting to free his arm, and this time perfectly timed and placed. Released his arms underneath the eye.
And nicely done there. Ramp created by Om Bhosle. And so way ahead. In comparison, creates the ramp again and again gets a boundary. So Piyush Salvi.
अच्छी एक्शन भी है और बड़ा शॉट यहाँ पर, बेहतरीन शॉट, गैप पे चौका की अभी, यहाँ पर बड़ा शॉट, हवा में है गेंद, ये मौका है, ओम भोसले आउट, रोशन वागजरे ने विकेट निकाल के दी यहाँ पर, ओम भोसले ने स्वीप मारने की क्षीरसागर वही रोशन ने करके दिया है, बड़ा शॉट मारने की कोशिश थी यहाँ पे, रिलीज शॉट सीधा फील्डर के हाथ में.
Nicely tossed up. And that's how a spinner will get his delivered. Om Bhosle will be disappointed. Walks back for 27. 68 for 2 CSK.
चाहिए था स्लीप.
Yes, it comes there. Tossed up. Accepted by OK. Khatpe gets the 6 to end the over. After 9, 76 for 2. Being there. Oh, nicely bowled. That's clean bowled. Oh, what a delivery this. Fabulous bowling.
अंदर आई, ड्रिफ्ट हुआ और ऑफ स्टंप लेके चले गए. काफी तारीफ की थी खाटपे की हमने, कमेंटेटर. खाटपे आउट, 30 रन बना के 79 for 3.
Saurav Navale's job is done. He's been substituted. In comes the impact player, another Digvijay. Digvijay Zadav this.
Good shot that. That will be a boundary. ये दिन की शुरुआत हुई और ये सिलसिला अभी भी शुरू है. फिर एक बार मौका था पर फील्डर के ऊपर से सागर. A short ball. All he needed to do was just guide it, and he has done that. Patki hui गेंद and he has hit that well front of square for a boundary.
For it.
In the air, but the field, a good attempt.
तो आप कितना जल्दी जज करते हैं.
यहाँ इस बार खेल दिया, बढ़िया शॉट वहां पर और मिलेगा चौका. जबरदस्त दिग्विजय पाटिल.
बढ़िया शॉट, फाइन लेग ऊपर था, उसका पूरा फायदा उठाया. क्या लैप शॉट मारा है, बेहतरीन. स्वीप मारते हैं फास्ट बॉलर, कितना आसान नहीं
To
होता.
be a huge problem. This time plays that one up Pishley. Fielder will not be able to cut it off at long on.
16 गेंदों में शॉट, बहुत ही बढ़िया शॉट बैटफुट पर. ये तो क्लासन की क्लास दिखा दी.
Right, and what a camera work. Fantastic effort by the entire team here. Just like an excellent effort here by CSK. And one more boundary. Making room for himself, and will it go through? Yes, it does. That's the victory for CSK. Digvijay Patil, take a ball.
क्लासिक शॉट मार के ये मैच जीत ली सीएसके ने. और दिग्विजय पाटिल, क्या कमाल का टाइमिंग वाला चौका मारा उन्होंने. क्या बढ़िया शॉट मारा. अच्छा पोजीशन में आए, उनको मालूम था गैप कहाँ था, और परफेक्ट गैप में मार के चौका और टीम को एक मैच जिता के दी.
Stood tall, an unbeaten 48. Sealed the victory for CSK by 7 wickets.